Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel KS Academy One Step to Success. You can join us on Facebook also. Before moving further, do not forget like, share and subscribe our channel. So today we are going to study about Introduction to Environmental Studies. So without wasting our time, let us start with the introduction part. Introduction to Environmental Studies. This presentation was created by Dr. Prerna Bhautik, Assistant Professor at All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. Environment, this word comes from French word that is environ. It means that the surrounding. You can see on this picture the surrounding us, everything present in surrounding us, that is called as environment. Environment Protection Act 1986 defined the environment terms, that is as the sum of total of water, air, land and their interrelationship among themselves and with the human beings, other living beings and their properties. It can also defined as the external surrounding and the conditions which are directly or indirectly affect the living organisms. It is an comprehensive sum of all the living and non-living things and their interactions. It is applied science and its six practical answers to make a human civilization sustainable on the earth finite resources. Its components include biology, geology, chemistry, physics, engineering, sociology, health, philosophy, computers, economics, statistics, or more. Multidisciplinary approach of environmental studies. Biology, botany, zoology, soil science, technology, oceanography, atmospheric science, economics, sociology, anthropology, ethics. Elements of environment. You can see on this picture sun, air, flora and fauna, rock and soil, water, uh, animal present inside the water, animal present in forest, human being, whatever the present in our surrounding or whatever the present living or non-living thing are present our surrounding, that is called as a environment, and the things are present, that is called as a elements of environments. So physical elements, space, landform, water bodies, soil, rock, and minerals. Biological elements, plants, animal, microorganisms, and human beings. Cultural elements, that is economic, social, and political elements, are essentially man-made features. Why I should study environmental science? This question always comes in our mind. The followings are the main basic reasons for that particular question. Creating the awareness about the environmental problems among the people, imparting the basic knowledge about the environment and its applied problems, developing an attitude of concern for the environment, motivating the public to participate in environment protection and environment improvement, acquiring the skill to help the concerned individual in identifying and solving environment problems, striving to attain harmony with nature. Importance of environmental studies. To clarify the modern environment concept like how to conserve biodiversity, to know the more sustainable way of living, to use the natural resources more efficiently, to know the behavior of organism under the nature condition, to know the interrelationship between organism in population and communities, to aware the educated people regarding environmental issues and problems at local, national and international level. Need for public awareness through print media and electronic media, politicians, NGOs. The activities helps in creating awareness among the people are join a group to study nature such as WWFI or BNHS or any other organizations. Read newspaper articles and periodical like Down to Earth, WWF1 newsletters, BNHS hornbills, Discuss environmental issues with the friends and relatives. Join local movements that supports the activity like saving trees in our localities, reducing use of plastic, going going for nature treks, practicing 3 rupees, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Practice and promote good civic sense and hygiene such as enforcing no splitting or tobacco chewing, no throwing garbage on the road and no urinating in a public place. Take part in event organization on World Environment Day, Wild Week. Visit a national park or sanctuaries or spend time in whatever the natural habits you have near your home. Completed introduction part of environmental studies with the help of notes, pictures and video. Thank you for listening our lecture. If you have any queries and suggestions, so put it on comment box. We immediately reply on it.